State Police announcing the arrest of a Maryland man for striking and killing 3 road workers a year ago along Interstate 83 in northern York County. Thanks for joining us tonight for Fox 43 News at 10. I'm Evan Forrester.
And I'm Amy Lutz. Fox 43's Matt Kleindens takes a look at the findings from the year-long investigation.
It's been exactly 1 year since Jesse McKenzie, Robert Hampe, and Philson Hinebaugh were killed while working along this section of Interstate 83. Now investigators are finally bringing charges against the driver who hit them in a construction zone.
There are times when justice needs to rest, but justice never goes to sleep. And it did not go to sleep here.
State Police announced the arrest of 25-year-old Reed Davenport from Maryland, who was driving a box truck at the time of the crash. According to court documents, Davenport was on his 5th delivery route of the night when he approached road crews near the Fishing Creek exit in Fairview Township. York County District Attorney Tim Barker says he entered the construction zone at 63 miles an hour and claimed he blacked out prior to the crash.
His exact words were, "I'm not going to lie, I am running on no sleep. I stayed up 24 hours yesterday." There were no evasive actions. There was no response or reaction by him.
A toxicology report would later find that Davenport was under the influence of marijuana at the time of the crash, a charge which he denies. Police would later charge Davenport with a number of crimes, including third-degree murder and DUI, which could land him a life sentence without the chance of parole.
We do not make any charges lightly. It's the reason why we had to so carefully and so patiently wait for all information.
Barker hopes the investigation brings families closer to justice and reminds Pennsylvanians the importance of protecting all roadside workers.
When we approach a construction zone, when we approach construction workers, that we do so understanding that their lives are in danger.
Matt Kleindens, Fox 43 News.